Thought I saw you in a grocery store. The hair was frizzy and the eyes were yours, but you turned and walked away. You turned and walked away. I swear I've seen you in 1,000 skins, but every time I try to look within, you turn and walk away. 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 It's just another flower. It's not a moonlit night. It is not a skin-deep metaphor. Stop trying to search for meaning when you know that there is nothing there. There is no grand scheme. Just let it be a flower. Life is just a life, it is just a life, it's just another life. And if you search for the meaning, there's nothing there, there's nothing anywhere. You're just another bag of skin, you're walking blindly through the back streets of the universe. But don't be afraid, because it's beautiful. Everything is following a simple curve, and you are gonna ride along no matter how you try to swerve. As pointless as it is, it's gonna flow along. It's going up, it's going up, it's coming down, it's coming down. Love is just a love, it is just a love, it's just another love. A stimulation of synapses cause the dopamine reactions. Well, it's just a love. Stop trying to analyze your feelings and explain away the way you feel. Just take my hand and let it just be your love. The song is just a song, it is just a song, it's just a pretty song. It's just a bunch of notes I play for you with a catchy melody. Oh, stop trying to search for meaning when you know that there is nothing there. There's no grand